Hey guys, okay, so this is the automatic foam soap dispenser review or unboxing. So one of the things is with this, we have a built-in infrared sensor. It supposedly starts up in 0.25 seconds, so a quarter of a second. It's touchless. It's supposed to be adjustable foam volume, then environmentally friendly material ABS, and then waterproofing grade IPX4. So recommended hand washing steps. Now this is also supposed to be able to be used with hand disinfectant, and that's mostly what I'm going to be using in it to see if this actually works. So this was bought through Amazon, and we'll be seeing what all it contains.
I'm not the classic profile of what the ladies want. You might think I'm depressed as can be, but when I look in the mirror, I see sexy ass me. And if that's something you can't respect, then that's peace. My life's better without you, actually.
Alright, so inside the box, packaging seems to be pretty well done. Has a little styrofoam top and bottom. Instructions, mostly Chinese. Looks like some English ones in here as well. Maintenance method: remove bottle. Okay, so basically it says make sure you use it continuously. If not, then it'll dry up on the inside, and then you'll have to kind of flush it out. Alright, let's see here. Automatic multifunctional foam soap dispenser. This is actually a pretty nice manual. It's that glossy type, almost feels laminated. So pretty simple stuff. Basically it says from 4 centimeters away it should be able to activate. Okay. Blue light, power on, and or out, foaming volume about 7 grams. White light, out, foaming volume about 1.4 grams. Red light, power off. Okay, you can wall mount this thing apparently. Let's see, just basically don't tilt it. We know how we like to do it in this channel, which is just to do it. Let's get her done. Alright, so here's the actual product. So it's pretty nice. Clear bottle, plastic, but it looks nice. As long as it gets the job done, that's what's going to matter at the end of the day. Alright, let's see what else it comes in here with.
It's real shit right here.
Oh, okay. So it comes with actually with the little hook pads. And so apparently you glue one to the back and then glue the other one to the wall, and then you're able to just slide it onto the wall. Alright, very nice. Maybe I'll use these, I don't know, counts. We'll see how that goes. Alright, well, we're going to go ahead and turn this off and put some batteries in it and test it out. Okay, so here it is taken apart. Here's the bottle. You're going to be able to twist this up and to put in whatever you want to put in. Here's the battery compartment. As you can see, there's the opening, so you can actually just press. It's one of those press and click systems. So when you put it in, it'll click into place, and then you press it again, and it'll shoot it out, kind of like an SD card. So there you go. Sits flush, has a little O-ring, and then when you press it again, it'll actually pop out. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna finish filling this, but just want to show you guys that. Alright guys, here it is, fully put together. You can see we have liquid in it. It's actually going to be hand sanitizer. I just had it in this bottle because that's where I was using it for easy dispensing. So, okay, that's supposed to be the smallest one. You gotta let it prime itself. Alright, well it shoots it out. Didn't quite foam it up. So, let's try it again. Okay, so it does dispense it. dispenses it in a pretty generous amount from what I see there. Let's see here. So the blue light is 0.7 grams. The white light would be 1.4 grams. Oh wow. Okay, so let's try 1.4 grams. Oh wow, that's more than enough right there. So it seems with hand sanitizer it doesn't foam it up, but it does shoot it out without an issue. So that's pretty much going to be a wash when it comes to the foaming action, unless this starts acting a little bit different. But yet again, the hand sanitizer that I'm using is not the foaming type, so it's just supposed to be the liquid. So take it as you will, whether it would work with foaming soaps or not. I haven't tried that, obviously, but as far as it goes, I'm going to keep it. I might take it to the office and just make it easier for some of the guys that we work with to have access to hand sanitizing. Right now we have the pump bottles, but this would probably be a lot better option since all they would have to is just stick their hand out. Now the light on top does change. Right there would be the green light, the white light, and then the red light, and each one has a set of definition of what it does. So the white is the 0.7 grams, or sorry, the blue is the 0.7 grams, the white is the 1.4 grams, and then the red is just completely off. So right now, doesn't matter, you can wave your hand at it all you want, it's not going to come on. Put it on the smallest amount, which actually seems to be pretty generous. And it spits it out. So, seems to work. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.